So as we see, these nutrients are present within the soil. So what we have to do is we should keep on loosening this soil so that all the nutrients and minerals will come up to the top soil and helps the plant to utilize it. Thus, turning and loosening of the soil is very important for cultivation of a crop. So the to loosen and turn this soil, we need some equipment, right? So, and we should know such methods to loosen the soil. That is by tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. So we will see the materials used by a farmer to loosen the soil or equipments. Okay. So here we will be seeing what all the agriculture implements that is used by a farmer to loosen a soil. So children, whenever you enter to a bare land, okay, where there is no crops, nothing, the field is something ready for a cultivation. So what a farmer does is he needs to cultivate a crop. He can't directly go into the farm and cultivate a crop, right? So you may find some obstacles in a soil to grow a plant. So he needs to break a soil clumps to get better yield. So before sowing a seed, this is done with the help of various tools. He uses some tools. The main tools used for this purpose are plow, hoe, and a cultivator. So we will see one by one what is this equipment and how it looks and how the farmer make use of it. Okay, so first we will see a plow. Plow, this has been used since from a ancient time. Okay, it is not that it has been invented now, it has been used from ancient time. Okay, here this is meant for tilling the soil and also adding fertilizers to the crop and also to remove the weeds and turn the soil. This is made up of a wood and it is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals. So this plow is being attached to a animal, that is horses or camels they use, or basically they use a bull. Okay, it contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. In the picture you can see, or you can refer the textbook also. So the labeling of equipment they have given. So it contains a strong triangular iron. It is made up of a iron strip called as a plowshare. The main part of a plow is a long log of wood which is called a plow shaft. So there is a long wood, it has been attached to a plowshare that is said to be plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of a shaft. So this end is attached to a beam which is placed on a bull's neck. So it needs some support to pull, right? So that is why they have placed this beam on a bull. So that is they use one pair of bull, that is two bulls they use. And this is the arrangement, and once arrangement is done, blowing arrangement, then a man will be pulling, that is a farmer will be pulling this plow along with him. So the indigenous wood plow is increasingly being replaced by iron plows nowadays. So before the technology improved, as you see technology has been improved now. So okay, before that a farmer was using only a wooden plow. Now iron plow is being used extensively. Okay, so this is about a plow, and you should know the how plow looks and labeling of plow. Okay, and their uses. So next tool used for loosening the soil, that is hoe. Okay, it is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds. So what do you mean by weeds, children? It is a waste plant that has been grown along with the useful plant. Okay, they need to remove these weeds. So if they don't remove these weeds, what happens? The nutrients which is required for a good plant will be utilized by this waste plant, that is weeds. So they need to remove all these weeds. To remove weeds, they use this hoe. That is a tool used by a farmer to remove weeds, and it is also meant for loosening the soil. Automatically when you remove weeds, what happens? The soil gets loosened as well. So this hoe has a long rod of wood or a iron. So again this is made up of wood or iron. A strong broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its end and works like a blade. So why this blade is required? To cut a weeds. So it is pulled by animals again. Okay, you can see in the picture. I have given a picture of a hoe, how it looks schematically, and labeling is very important. You can see a man is making use of a hoe to remove weeds. Okay, and next we will come up to cultivator. So the last one, cultivator. So nowadays plowing is done by a tractor driven by a cultivator. So the person who drives a tractor is said to be cultivator. Okay. So tractors is been a easy method to loosen the soil. So you can see in the picture a man is driving a tractor. So along with that some equipment is fixed here to loosen the soil. Fine. So this is how taking three equipments, a farmer loosens the soil and the land is ready for the cultivation. Fine. So in the next class, we will be seeing after preparation of soil, obviously it is now the land is ready to sow a soil. So once the school starts, we will be performing all this activity practically so that you'll be aware of how farmer take a risk to produce crops for a huge population, and that is why we say farmers are a backbone to our country. Yeah, let's end up with the session. Tomorrow, I mean not tomorrow, in our upcoming class, we will see about next topics that is followed by this. Fine. Hope you have all followed the session today. So keeping all this in mind, try to solve the worksheet which will be sent along with this video. See you all in the next class. Take care. Have a good day.